In this video, you'll learn how to copy a Notion page from one account to another. The process involves several steps, including sharing the page and duplicating it in the new account. Completing this task will allow you to manage your Notion content more efficiently across different accounts. Start by navigating to Notion's website. Open your web browser and enter the URL for Notion. Once the page loads, you will need to log into your account if you're not already signed in. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate smooth access to your pages. Next, locate the existing page that you wish to copy. You can find this in your workspace's sidebar. Click on the page to open it. Ensure that you can view its content completely before proceeding to the next step, as this is necessary for sharing the page properly. After that, look for the option labeled Share at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to open the sharing settings. This step is crucial because it allows you to generate a link that can be accessed from your other account. Now, click on Copy Link within the sharing settings. This action will place the link to your Notion page onto your clipboard. Make sure to confirm that the link has been copied successfully before moving on to the next step. Following this, you will need to click on Publish to make the page publicly accessible. This step ensures that the link you just copied can be used by others, including your other Notion account. Wait for a moment as Notion processes this request. You will then need to click on Copy Site Link once the page is published. This is the link you will use to access the page from your other account. It is important to make sure that this link is correctly copied to your clipboard. Once you have copied the site link, navigate to your other Notion account. Open a new tab in your browser and log into this account. Make sure that you are connected to the internet to ensure that the transition between accounts is seamless. Next, click on View Site to open the page using the link you copied earlier. This step will allow you to access the content from your original account. Ensure that the page loads fully before you proceed to duplicate it. Now click on Duplicate as Template to create a copy of the page in your new account. This will allow you to edit and manage the page independently from the original. Wait a moment for Notion to process this duplication. After duplicating the page, click on Manage All Sites and Links to review your newly created content. This will help you keep track of all your pages and ensure that everything is organized. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Finally, click on Close It to exit the management view. This will return you to your workspace. At this point, you have successfully copied a Notion page to another account, and you can now share it through various social platforms if needed. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.